Okay, here we go.
Chicken action. No,
Going to their mom.
sorry, you got
I'm wondering if they're gonna get a worm.
nothing. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Today is the first day they went back into their little coop all by themselves. Now they're looking for some sunshine
And some action.
and some action. So this is not too exciting, guys. Liza. Hey, Liza.
Got this crop of bugs.
Ooh.
Fresh dirt.
I want to see what that's all about. How you doing, guys? Girls? Whatever you are.
There you go.
There's Warren's chicken. Whoop, there it goes. And there's Mama Hen helping them look for worms. Finding anything? Ugh.
They'll look.
Looking for worms. Oh, did you find something? We're really hoping these guys will help us have less bugs in our garden. We'll see how that goes. There's all three. Smoke, Cheetah, and Liza. Chicken butts. All right. That's it for now from me and the chickens. Peace out.